Now let's talk about transferring our files from the camera to the phone. First, we're going to select our photos here in the album, and we're looking up here at photos on the camera side. Now if we go ahead, let's say we select 2 or 3, and you're noticing up here in the top right corner that I'm clicking this check mark. That allows me to select 2 or 3 photos. So we have 2 or 3 photos right there selected, and then down here we can click this little export button. And it's going to ask us if we want to share them to the photo album or we want to export 360 photos to the phone album. In this case, we want to export them to the phone album. And then yes, give access to that, and it's going to put them directly into our camera roll. This isn't the same for video though. Export complete, confirm, so let's go over to our videos. So let's go ahead and click on a video. So let's click download, and it's downloading. Now as soon as it downloads that first video, this is the tutorial I'm talking about. If you want to reframe the video to point this way, that way, so it's not a 360 video, this is a great tutorial for that. So you just press and hold step by step. I'm just going to do this really quick. It's going to go through here. Pivot, sure. And then we're going to press on this person's face. Great. You can take your time to go through this, and then of course it's going to play it back and it's going to show you how you reframed this 360 video after the fact. And then there you go. Nice work. After you do that one time, it won't bring that tutorial up anymore. So real quick, let's just start over. Unfortunately, we can't batch export videos to the camera roll. The only way we can export a video to the camera roll is we have to first export it from the camera to the app. After we do that, we'll find ourselves here in the local part, and then we can click on the video once it's on the phone, and then we export it once again, this time to our phone album. Then we want to click 360 video and OK. One more note is that this will only export a 4K video clip. The camera is capable of 5.7K, which is really nice for a 360 video on YouTube. If we want to achieve that, we're going to have to hook the camera up with a USB cable to our computer and go through the software on the computer. Thanks for tuning in, and you guys have a great day.